Hey there friends, how's it going? Richard here. Just got done playing some morning basketball for a workout. Wanted to come out here, my girlfriend and I, and also our dog, about to tomorrow leave for a 1600 mile round trip, road trip from here in New York City to Savannah, Georgia. So I want to hop on and share some of the preliminary preparations, including what I've got in my car for emergency prep, which is something that I think is often overlooked, but super necessary. Now the stuff that I have isn't, I guess, entirely complete, but I think it suffices. So let's see what we got. All right, so here's a video of my dirty trunk. Gotta clean it up a little bit before we go, but again, just in terms of emergency prep, you wanna make sure you've got some things that'll come in handy if and when you ever need them. So of course, you've got the Tesla travel charger. I don't know where we're staying, I'll have access to a wall outlet. Hopefully I do, a 110 or so. Plug that in, keep the car charged and topped off. Always carry my AEROSPACE 303 protectant with cloth, just in case I gotta wipe down the seats and interior. Here is a tire repair kit with my crossbar and jack. Those are in case you could run across the flat. Also, for my last car, started carrying an electric air inflator, which is pretty dope. It makes life so easy to inflate things like basketballs and tires if you need it. And then I got two sunshades. This is the front sunshade. I'm probably gonna put it on the car now since I won't be driving for a couple hours. The interior gets really hot. I got the black interior. And then this one is the one that goes across the roof. It's sold by BASENOR off of Amazon, and it's broken down into two parts. What we're probably gonna do is not use the front part, but only use the rear part to provide a little more shade for my dog, who's gonna be in the rear. So that's what it looks like we're doing. We're gonna go, as we're driving, leave the front roof glass open so we can have that light in front, and then close it off in the back so that my dog is a little more comfortable. So that's what I got in terms of first aid, emergency prep. Hopefully you found this helpful and useful. If you got any questions, I'll link the products in the description below. And if you want to check it out, just feel free to get them off Amazon. I think all this stuff came off of Amazon. All right, y'all. See y'all in Georgia. Or wherever.